In this video, I will show you how to download Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on PC. To get started, from your desktop, what you want to do is come and click onto your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type Store, and then open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Now, once you've done that, come up to the search box at the top, and in here you want to type Modern Warfare 2. Once you've searched for that, you should get Modern Warfare 2 come up in the results. So as you can see, it's here and it's available for free. Give it a click, and then you're going to see an install or get button. Give that a click, and then it's going to come up with a window asking where you want to install this game. So select that from your C drive, or if you have an external hard drive, you can select that from the drop down box here. Once that's done, come and click onto install, and as you can see, that's going to start to download and install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on your PC. It's quite a big game, it's about 96 gigabytes, so it's going to take some time to install, but once that's finished, you'll be able to go ahead and start to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 on PC. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more gaming and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.